Alright, this video is like for creating a ringtone. Alright, this is an application which is very required for your iPhone. Okay, so I've got so many other applications which are free as well, and I don't know like this application what apps I have set up on my iPhone when my iPhone was jailbroken on my previous iPhone. So I don't know is it gonna work or not. So like I'm just gonna put it on my iPhone. The main application is create ringtones with this logo in here. Okay, um, I'm gonna sync. I'm gonna sync and like put the okay. First of all, what it's doing is it is removing all my applications which just now few minutes ago went on my iPhone automatically. So it's like automatically sync new apps. It just went on my iPhone. Now the sync is in progress. Now it is removing the other applications from my iPhone. This is my new iPhone. Okay. The cover is also not removed yet. So all I have to do is wait. I'm gonna tell this create ringtones application. Okay, it is almost done. Okay, what apps and they create ringtones. What apps is nice to transfer videos, photos. What apps was not transferred iPhone back because unknown error. Yeah, because it was downloaded when my phone was jailbroken, so it doesn't work. Oh look, okay. The thing is, what apps? All right, what apps is not working. To create ringtones, when I downloaded create ringtones on my iPhone, now it will show you down here ringtones. Okay, but there are no ringtones here. And the other thing is when I set up this ringtone on iPhone and take out any files from there, here there is a ringtone tab. It did not used to be here, but like now there's a new ringtone tab here. So what do you have to do is I'm gonna show you the full process. Okay, I want to show you the full process. Like we go to music, now apply. Okay, okay. Which song do you like? Which song do you like? I don't know. Oh, okay. The song, The Way I Am. Let me play. Whatever. Yeah. We have to do is we have to put. I've already put so many. We have to just like drag and drop the song on the phone. Okay. So it already went on my phone. Now it is on my phone. Okay. So what we have to do is okay. There is only one song maybe. Okay. Alright, all songs. There is only one song on my phone. What I have to do is go to ringtones. Okay. Go to music ringtones. It will select and then they will say select a ringtone, select a song which you want to make ringtone. So there is only one song. I'm gonna put it. So there is only 30 seconds of it. So you can move. I can like I can choose the time limit from where I can play. Alright, it's just for an example, okay? So I just like, okay, save it. It's just creating a ringtone, okay? There will be a sound. Okay, my ringtone is saving and it has been created, okay? So I want to show you is like go to the settings, and on the sound, um, there are like for the ringtone you will not find, apart from the factory settings, there are no ringtones other one, okay? So what you have to do is, the thing is, now you have to go to your iPhone, okay? You have to go to the apps, okay? When you go to the apps, you will find this one down here, ringtone. Click on it. The name, the way I am, okay? Just now I save. You have to do is save, okay? You save it to the desktop, all right? Just save it. So you save the file on the desktop. It is now on the desktop, okay? So now the next thing is, but still it doesn't work. The next thing you have to do is you have to double click the file and play it once. So it will be played, okay? So now it is being played. So now it's gonna work, I know. So all you have to do is go to the ringtones, sync the ringtone. They're gonna say, are you sure wanna sync ringtones? Yeah. Sync ringtone. Select ringtone. There are my other ringtone as well. So alright. I just did the way I am twice. So I've got so many other ringtone as well. Okay, I'm gonna select all the ringtones because these all ringtones are on the folder here, ringtone folder. So the same thing, all the ringtones are there. So all the ringtones, total I got 12 ringtones, and then I have to do apply. So my iPhone is singing, so it's gonna say the WhatsApp will not work here, okay? Finishing sync, okay, ready to disconnect. Alright, I can close. So my phone, now go to the setting, okay? Here you can find the ringtones, what I told you, which I have just done it, the way I am and the other ringtones. So the ringtone, which ringtone do you like? And I'm gonna put it like, how's that? Okay. Nepal, Jai Nepal. Thanks for watching, everyone. So all I have to do is like select this ringtone. It's done. So it's gonna work like whenever I get a call. Alright, thanks for very much. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah. Bye bye. See you next time.